Still pushing on that flimsy door frame, pinching your fingers, or relying on a loose slide panel? The Safoner aluminum screen door crossbar solves all of that. It reinforces your screen door, makes daily use smoother, and adds stability you can feel. With 1 inch of clearance between the bar and the door, it's super easy to grab, even with larger or full hands. You'll get everything you need in the box, and unlike others, this one is full aluminum from end to end. No plastic bases that'll crack or wear out over time. The bar is rust-resistant, pre-assembled, and adjusts from 17 to 29 inches using extendable side rods, perfect for fitting most RV screen doors. Start by closing your RV door and measuring the full width of your screen door. Next, center the handle and leave equal space on both sides for a balanced look. Place the bar on the door and double-check the fit before drilling. Use the flat head screws to secure both ends of the bar. Make sure your screen door frame is at least 0.45 inches wide so the base fits securely. Mark the screw holes on both end bases to get ready for drilling. Drill at the marked spots using the bit we included in the box. Then use the round head screws to lock the crossbar in place. That's it. A strong grab bar that protects your screen door and makes entry easier. Tap the link in the description to upgrade and save with the code.